In this video, I'll show you where to get promo codes for Saudi Airlines. If you find this video is useful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Or I'm going to open up any web browser on my device, going to head on over to Google. And now once I'm inside Google, I'm going to type in Saudi Airlines promo codes. And then when I hit search, and now if I scroll down, you'll be able to see these third-party sites offering coupon promo codes. So you got Worth the Penny here. If I keep scrolling down, there'll be other ones here as well. Looks like there isn't too many. So, all right, so the only one you can really use is Saudia.com. So 30% off selected international destinations, and Worth the Penny. These are the two that you need to use. So on this demonstration, I'm going to go to Worth the Penny because this is a great promo site, coupon site that gives really good offers. So here it is, today's best offer. I'm making this video on June the 17th, 2024. So as you can see, this code is verified too. So if I click into it, 55% off. And then when I click on it, grab your faves at Saudia, go up to 55% off with Saudi Airlines discount. So I'm going to click that, and now this should give me the code. So here we go here. I'm going to copy this code and now paste this code at the checkout section when booking your next flight on Saudi Airlines to activate the deal.